Welcome to Best Cars Review. Today, we're taking you back to 1973 to revisit a true British icon, the Reliant Robin Mk1, shown here in a brilliant yellow finish that instantly draws the eye. This compact classic didn't need to be loud or aggressive. Its front design alone is a perfect example of timeless simplicity, with soft curves on the bonnet, rounded headlights, and just the right amount of chrome to give it character. It's the kind of car that makes you smile when you see it, especially from the front. At first glance, the vehicle stands proud with a symmetrical and friendly front view. The subtle slope of the hood, matched with its vintage headlight placement, brings out a certain charm only 1970s cars can offer. The grille is classic British, understated, functional, and neatly positioned between the headlights, allowing the car to breathe with both form and function in mind. The chrome bumper adds just enough vintage appeal without overwhelming the car's clean design. Driving this car feels like a return to the basics in the best possible way. With its compact size and lightweight build, maneuvering through narrow streets or busy city corners is a breeze. Under the hood, the Mk1 offers a responsive petrol engine that was known for its fuel efficiency and low maintenance. What this car may lack in modern tech, it more than makes up for with pure mechanical honesty. Every control has a purpose, every movement has meaning, and the driving experience is refreshingly connected. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that matches the car's philosophy, straightforward and built around the driver. The dashboard is minimal, the steering is light, and the gear shifter has a firm, mechanical feel that drivers of today rarely experience. There's just enough space to keep things comfortable, and visibility is excellent all around, making this an ideal daily driver for its era. The bright yellow color isn't just a nostalgic touch, it's a statement. Back in the 70s, this hue represented energy, optimism, and forward-thinking design. It helps the car stand out while also giving it a warm, approachable personality. Whether parked or in motion, this vehicle grabs attention without trying too hard. From the outside, the lines are clean, and the proportions well balanced. This is a vehicle that doesn't try to be anything it's not. It wasn't built for speed or luxury, it was built for people. Affordable, easy to handle, and surprisingly stylish, it was the smart choice for drivers who wanted more freedom without breaking the bank. Its suspension handled bumps and curves smoothly, and its reliability gave it a loyal following. The 1973 Reliant Robin Mk1 may not be covered in flashy tech or complex gadgets, but it offers something far more valuable: authenticity. It represents an era when cars were built with soul, where every mile driven was part of the journey, not just a way to reach the destination. It's rare to find a car today that feels this honest. Thank you for watching Best Cars Review. If you love classic rides that tell real stories, make sure to subscribe for more timeless machines and unique designs from automotive history. See you in the next video.